Hello, Twisted Tree out here. We made it out on the first rain on September 11th. Amazing tropical system that came through Central Coast of California, and friends came out here in the rain and we're enjoying it all. All right, here we are. We picked tomatoes and peppers. We have these beautiful amaranth to enjoy. Look at all of our little cherry tomatoes. And we have all of these Brandywine heirloom tomatoes and elderberries that I'll give to our herbalist friend to make tinctures and immune support medicines. In fact, we are having herbal workshops coming up September 25th and November 13th. Look at the Instagram, our Global Family Farm, to find out more. Look at, we're out here enjoying this tropical weather, picking squashes, and they are kind of getting to the end of their life. Oh yeah, there's some other medium-sized ones here and there.
There's one right there.
All right, now we're picking basil. We got cinnamon basil, we got purple basil, we have Italian basil. Over here we have lemon basil, so good, so fragrant. And then we're gonna plant and fill in some kale to go in this row and this row. Some more kale, yay. Doesn't it smell so good? And then we're gonna give this away to the park where people gather for a free meal, and then help yourself to take some home for meals at your home too. Here, also wanted to document how the pumpkin patch is filling in with corn and sunflowers. So really doing well after this rainfall, of course. And just how tall are these gonna get? This is an Indian, Native American ornamental corn that's about 10 feet tall. All right, we are having fun. Come join us Sundays 9 to 1 and Wednesdays 3 to 5 while the sun still shines. In the afternoons is a beautiful time to come enjoy the farm, our globalfamilyfarm.com.